Welcome back to Spy Garage.
In 2026, the prestigious Italian brand Lamborghini Motorhome unveils a bold and daring concept that is unmistakably dubbed the Street Kingdom Throne. This fictitious invention transforms Lamborghini's fierce performance DNA and luxurious elegance into an unmatched mobile home, shattering all preconceptions about recreational vehicles. It is more than just a means of transportation. It is a self-contained, imposing kingdom that is intended to capture attention and serve as the pinnacle of status and power on whatever road it crosses. The 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome would be a stunning engineering and design display from the outside. It would definitely go against the aesthetics of a typical camper, taking on a hyper-aggressive, nearly sculpture-like shape that is reminiscent of the Lamborghini Supercar's dramatic lines, sharp angles, and deliberate aerodynamics. Imagine a powerful yet subtly ominous silhouette that may include adaptive aerodynamic components that adapt for stability when driving or parking. There would be a piercing glare on the asphalt from the recognizable Y-shaped daytime running lights. Aerospace-grade aluminum, carbon fiber, and forged composites would be widely used, not only to reduce weight, but also to communicate an unwavering dedication to performance and exotic elegance. The massive power within would be hinted at by the large, multi-spoke wheels, which might include custom Pirelli tires. Beyond the amenities of a regular RV, the Street Kingdom Throne would offer an immersive experience of custom luxury and cutting-edge technology. Carefully constructed from the best Italian materials, it would be a veritable throne chamber on wheels. Every surface would be adorned with soft, hand-stitched leather in vivid Lamborghini colors, contrasting with brushed metal highlights and glossy carbon fiber. The design would focus more on establishing a private, exclusive, and breathtaking setting than it would on making the most of available space. A state-of-the-art entertainment system built into the walls, a sumptuous, high-ceilinged lounge room with specially designed chairs, and possibly a discreet yet fully working upscale kitchenette are all examples of this. The sleeping area would be a luxurious haven with unmatched luxury and seclusion, perhaps equipped with a smart climate control system that adjusts to the desires of the users. The motorhome would be a moving exhibition of technological advancement. It would probably have sophisticated voice-activated controls for every part of the car, from the climate and lighting to the security systems, in addition to the anticipated high-end music and connection. Navigation and important information might be projected onto the panoramic windshield by augmented reality displays. Even this RV would probably have a powerful power plant, possibly a custom V12 or a hybrid hyper-engine. Given Lamborghini's performance background, this would set it apart from other large vehicles on the road and allow for effortless cruising and the capacity to command acceleration when necessary. With an advanced dynamic suspension system guaranteeing an incredibly pleasant ride while keeping a connection to the road, the driving experience would be both elegant and thrilling. In addition to being a vehicle, the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome, the Street Kingdom Throne, would be a statement of mobile sovereignty, appealing to a select clientele that demands the pinnacle of elegance, performance, and presence in all aspects of their existence.